everyone, my name is Samad. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you my 1 month journey of doing Chloe Ting workouts. The workouts actually include all of these videos right here. By the way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I love doing this, so this really motivates me into making really nice videos for you, so go ahead and do that and let's get started. Subscribe! Part 1. My fitness level before I got started. So I'm a relatively fit person. I used to be able to climb mountains and hills with no issues. I used to do intensive vinyasa, flow, yoga every single week. 2 years ago I fell sick with Lyme disease. I have a video about that here if you're interested. And from then on, my fitness level has kind of declined in a way that I am not entirely happy with. Lyme disease can actually make you really fatigued, and I remember when I fell sick, I just couldn't get out of bed. I was just physically so tired all the time. And after I healed and got better, it was just really difficult to keep as consistent as I was before I fell sick. Part 2. My goals and what I want to achieve doing this Chloe Ting workout. All I want to do is just reset my mind and reset my physical fitness again. It's been 2 years since I fell sick and I have been so inconsistent. I have been on and off with training, with exercise, and I just want to change that. Part 3. My journey during these workouts. Here is what I looked like before I committed to doing the Chloe Ting workouts every single week for about 4 to 5 times a week. I don't think I look bad. I actually think I look pretty good. I'm definitely a thick girl now. I used to be really stick thin, but I'm not like that anymore. I'm getting older. I have to embrace my curves. I'm a little bit insecure about my arms and my kangaroo pouch, but they're really nothing to be ashamed of, to be honest. I started the workouts on the 1st of July 2020, and every week for a month I would alternate between Chloe Ting's workout, and then afterwards I would supplement it with yoga, some stretching, maybe headstands, something to just like loosen up my body after working it for those few intense 20 minutes or 10 minutes. So the first day was really intense because I basically plunged into a challenge that maybe I wasn't really prepared for. I did the ab and glute workout first thing in the morning, and I did not eat breakfast. I had a lot of water, and I don't know, I just thought that I was a superwoman and it was a bad idea basically. I struggled quite a lot. I took a lot of breaks. My heartbeat was really fast and I was out of breath. I was a little bit disappointed with the level of fitness that I was in, but I persevered anyway and I finished it regardless of whether or not I was struggling. I finished it. I worked through the pain and I got there at the end. I'm exhausted. I'm so tired. Honestly, every single time I do a Chloe Ting workout, I think it's because I'm not very good with cardio. My body just like gets tired really quickly. I also didn't have breakfast, but I did drink a lot of water before this. Just force my body to do it. I did take a lot of breaks though this time around, but sooner or later I think I can do better. So week number 2 I had to take a break because I was on my period, and I'm basically paralyzed the first 2 days of my period because the cramps are like insane. I was just in bed hating life. But after the first 2 days of like heavy flow and pain and cramps, I was okay and I jumped into the workouts and supplemented it with yoga as usual, and it was alright. I was still really sore. When I'm on my period, my muscles ache like crazy. I'm having breakfast right now. I'm having a protein shake, and actually, to be honest, before every workout that I've been doing while recording this, I haven't been having breakfast, and I think that's a mistake because I lack energy and it's just really bad for recovery, you know. So I'm forcing myself now to have a protein shake with banana and apples in it. It's enough sugar and protein for me to have some energy, so that's good. Week number 3, I was very obviously getting stronger. My form was getting better, and it was no longer as daunting to do a workout and to do a challenge. I did the workout like 5 days straight, and you know, I was in pain, but it was like good pain. You know that your body is recovering from it, and I would alternate from like abs, and then the next day I would do legs, and then the next day I would do arms, and then the next day I would do full body, so my body had time to recover from the last workout. This week I have been consistent and I've done a workout every single day. So today, I don't know, I'm feeling a little bit meh. So I might just do the ab shred workout because I feel like I've progressed quite a lot with that routine. I have been including breakfast smoothies now in the morning. I've recently discovered frozen strawberries, and that in a breakfast smoothie is just like a revelation. It's so delicious. Week number 4. Now this week I was at my optimum level because I did all of the workouts that I chose to do, and I did it really well. Like, I barely took breaks, and even if I did, my breaks would be in downward dog, so I'm still like working my body. If you compare me to the first week, like this week, I think I performed really well. I look forward to working out as well, and it's really not as daunting. It's just part of a routine now. Alongside supplementing that whole workout with yoga, it just feels really good to stretch out my body and crack all the bones and joints that need to be cracked after doing a Chloe Ting workout. My gastric, however, got a little bit worse, so I consulted with Dr. Google himself, and I found out that making smoothies just like with fruits is a horrible idea because apparently it can agitate your stomach a lot. I did not know this. I thought that juice is juice, you know, but I can kind of understand that maybe it's a bit too acidic for my stomach. So I found out that I should have maybe added like Greek yogurt, because Greek yogurt has like really good bacteria that can help with the gut. So I'll try that like next week and in the future, because I really do like smoothies. But for now, I've eliminated smoothies in the morning, and I've actually changed my routine to be kind of in the evening, 2 hours or 3 hours after my lunch, because after I've had like a fulfilling lunch, it's a little bit better after my body has digested and given me energy than I do the workout. It works a lot better, and I really don't have gastric as much this week, so I do think that it is the smoothie. I'll find a solution. If you guys have better solutions or better recipes for me, please share it in the comments down below because I really love smoothies so much. Okay, part 4, the results after 4 weeks.
Disclaimer, I did not weigh myself, I did not measure myself. I do think that numbers are kind of counterproductive, and it's kind of like false motivation. So what I do prefer is to motivate myself in terms of what my progress is and how much stronger I am in terms of form, how many maybe push-ups I can do and stuff like that. That's how I measure progress.
Did Chloe Ting's workout actually change my physical appearance? Good question. Well, here's a side-by-side of what my body looks like 1 month before and 1 month after. I'm gonna say that there isn't a massive difference to my body and to my abs. However, I can see something. I can definitely see that my abs are a little bit more toned. I can feel that my core is a lot stronger than what it was. I do still have a kangaroo pouch, but I don't really mind it that much. I like kangaroo pouches because it reminds me of like Roman marble statues of like women and how curvy they are. I kind of find that sexy, so I don't mind it. But you can see that my upper abs are a lot more toned, and that part of my body has always been a little bit stronger than the bottom part. My booty, I think, has been lifted somehow. It does look, for some reason, a lot bigger, and I do think it's because my muscles have grown in the booty area, and that to me is extremely ideal, so I'm very happy with that. What else? Yeah, I wouldn't say that there's like a massive difference, but I do feel stronger, so I think that's a good thing. That's a plus. Part 5. My honest opinion on the Chloe Ting workouts. If you're someone who is like relatively fit, like above average, these are great workouts to supplement your other workouts like HIIT, yoga, Pilates, running, spin, whatever, you know. But if you are a beginner, these videos are really good for you to start off from. I think that they're tough enough, and I think that they challenge your body quite a bit. They make you sweat. I really liked them. I genuinely liked Chloe Ting's workouts, and I can see myself doing them still, like on top of other stuff that I do, like HIIT or hill walks or whatever. My fitness level has definitely improved. I'm very proud of myself because I can hold planks for like a minute now, but I definitely have a long way to go to get to my end goal of like the optimum fitness level that I want to be. I don't know what that is, but
it's not an overnight process. It's gonna take months, years, and that's fine with me. You know, it's a long-term commitment. It's definitely a lifestyle change. It's not just you do a 2-week ab shred and then suddenly you're like the fittest person ever. No, you have to change your whole lifestyle, and I think that these videos are a good kickstarter. They're good for beginners who want to get fit. They're good for people who want to maintain their fitness. They're good for people who also want to improve on their fitness. So I'd recommend it. I really like it.
It can definitely be tough at the beginning. Eventually your body will get stronger and you'll be killing it at the end of it, man. It's really, really good. So part 6 and the last part, things that I've learned from this 1-month journey and some advice that I can share with you. First things first, make sure you have energy before your workout. You would think that someone like me who is above average in terms of fitness would know that you need energy to work out, but I'm an idiot sometimes and I would work out with no food in my stomach, and that's a horrible thing. It's bad for recovery, it's bad for while you're working out. So please make sure that you are filled with energy before you work out. Number 2, please have patience with your progress. Not everyone will show results like really quickly. Some people will take months, years to show any progress, and some people will take weeks. But it doesn't matter. Please don't compare yourself to other people. Just focus on your own body, focus on your own progress, and just trust the process, okay? Here's a nice quote that I always tell myself: comparison is the thief of joy. Just remember that. Number 3, don't forget to breathe while you're working out. I am guilty of like doing workouts and then holding my breath all the time, and it's so bad because you just feel like you're gonna, I don't know, shit in your pants or something. Sometimes focusing on your breath, inhaling, exhaling through the workout will actually help you take your mind off of the pain that you're experiencing. So that's a very good insider tip. Focus on your breath and make sure you breathe while you work out. Number 4, listen to your body. If your body is telling you that it needs to rest, then you need to rest. Don't overdo it or you will hurt yourself. And if you hurt yourself, there are gonna be long-term consequences to that. You won't be able to walk properly, you'll always get sprained ankles, you'll hurt your back. If you need to rest, take a break. Just listen to your body. And lastly, do these workouts because you love your body, not because you hate it. You're doing these workouts because you want your body to be healthy, to feel good, and you want your mood and your mind to just manifest positive things all the time. Treat fitness as self-care. Treat these workouts as a way of treating your body to something good. Once you change that mindset, this whole workout won't be a problem already. My advice to you is please start this journey with a positive mindset and with a lot of love for yourself and your body, okay? Alright guys, I hope that was a very comprehensive video for you regarding the Chloe Ting challenge and Chloe Ting's workouts. I thoroughly enjoyed this experience, even though there were moments where I just felt like dying and collapsing from exhaustion. I would definitely still continue to follow her workouts and maybe mix it up a little with like some HIIT workouts and my yoga and all that stuff, just so that I can continue building strength in my body. If you ever watch this Chloe Ting, even though I don't think that you will, thank you so much for your free programs and your videos. They really help a lot of people start their fitness journey and maintain their physical fitness. I and a lot of your fans really appreciate your programs, and they've been really helpful, especially during this pandemic. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!